Wrinkle treatment for face neck. Enhance your skin's natural nighttime repair. Reduce key signs of aging in only 4 weeks. Wake up to rejuvenated, healthier-looking skin with a more even-looking tone. Gentle enough for daily use. This non-greasy, non-comedogenic formula with glycerin uses our breakthrough Hexinol technology to improve dark spots, discolorations, firm hydrate skin, visibly reduce fine lines, wrinkles, restore radiance. Anti-aging formulas. Whether you're looking for a solution for deep wrinkles, fine lines, dark circles, crow's feet, uneven skin tone or dry skin, we have an anti-aging formula that's right for you. Science Beauty. We produce a wide array of skincare products treatments including daily moisturizers with SPF, hyaluronic and niacinamide acids, facial cleansers, vitamin C serums, retinol skin tone wrinkle regimens, creams for under eyes, neck firming, décolleté, much more. Skincare innovation. Our products are recognized by beauty industry leaders, dermatologists, for their best-in-class effectiveness. We continue to research, innovate new formulas for healthier skin. A revolutionary multitask anti-aging night cream. Developed with Hexinol technology that targets the 5 signs of aging. Visibly minimizes the look of fine lines, wrinkles and discolorations. Quenches dry skin with moisture while improving the overall radiance of skin. Restores flexibility to sagging skin. Unveils a firmer, softer, smoother, even-toned and younger-looking complexion. To use. Apply day and night to cleansed and toned face and neck. Top reviews from the United States. Always an excellent choice. I have been using RoC products for years and they are all an excellent choice. Both at moisturizing and helping to hide, prevent fine lines. I've tried more expensive brands and I have come back to RoC each time, not purchasing those expensive ones anymore. Initially, I felt a tinkle or itch, especially around the eyelids, but the sensitivity vanished with continued use.